Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone in the universe? For centuries, humans have asked the same question. From ancient civilizations claiming to see strange lights in the sky, to modern-day scientists scanning the cosmos with some of the most powerful telescopes ever built, the mystery of alien life continues to fascinate us. Tonight, we're going to explore the question, are aliens real, or just a product of our imagination? And more importantly, what does science actually say about the possibility of life beyond Earth? Let's dive in. The vastness of the universe first. Consider the scale of the universe. It's almost impossible to imagine there are over 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe, each containing millions or even billions of stars. Many of these stars have planets orbiting them called exoplanets. Scientists have already discovered over 5,000 exoplanets, and estimates suggest there could be trillions more out there. With numbers this vast, the probability that Earth is the only planet to host life starts to seem incredibly small. But just because life could exist elsewhere doesn't mean we've actually found it. So where do we begin the search? Extremophiles life in extreme places. To understand how alien life might exist, we first look at life on Earth itself. Scientists have discovered extremophiles, organisms that thrive in conditions once thought impossible for life. Some live in boiling hot springs, others survive in freezing Antarctic ice, some even exist in acidic lakes or deep beneath the ocean floor, in complete darkness. If life can survive in such extreme conditions on Earth, it raises a fascinating question. Could life exist in harsh environments on other planets or moons? For example, Jupiter's moon Europa has a massive ocean beneath its icy surface. Could tiny alien microbes be swimming there, in total darkness, waiting to be discovered? The Drake equation, one tool scientists use to estimate the possibility of alien civilizations, is called the Drake equation. It's a formula that calculates the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy capable of communication. It takes into account factors like how many stars form each year, how many stars have planets, how many planets could support life, how many planets actually develop life, how many civilizations develop technology we can detect even with conservative estimates. The equation suggests there could be hundreds or thousands of civilizations in the Milky Way alone. Of course, these are just probabilities, not proof, but it shows that the idea of alien life is not science fiction. It's grounded in real scientific reasoning. UFOs and government disclosure. Now, let's talk about UFOs, or unidentified aerial phenomena, as they are officially called. For decades, people around the world have reported strange lights, objects moving at impossible speeds, and patterns that seem to defy physics. Recently, governments, including the United States, have released declassified reports acknowledging sightings that they cannot explain. Does this prove aliens exist? Not necessarily, but it does show that there are phenomena in our skies that science has yet to fully understand. And that alone is exciting, because it reminds us that the universe may hold mysteries far beyond what we currently know. Life beyond Earth. Mars and moons next. Let's look closer to home. At Mars and some of our solar system's moons. Mars has been a major focus for scientists. Evidence shows that billions of years ago it had flowing rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. Could microbial life have existed there? Some meteorites from Mars even contain organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Then there's Titan, Saturn's largest moon, with lakes of liquid methane, or Enceladus, with geysers shooting water into space. Could these worlds host simple life forms? The possibility is there, and scientists are planning future missions to find out. The Fermi paradox. Here's the puzzling part, known as the Fermi paradox. If the universe is so vast, and if life is likely, then where is everybody? Why haven't we detected signals or met any aliens yet? There are several theories. Some suggest intelligent life self-destructs before they can travel through the stars. Others propose that civilizations are deliberately avoiding contact, a concept called the galactic quarantine. Or maybe advanced civilizations exist, but we simply don't recognize their signals. After all, they might communicate in ways that are completely foreign to human technology. The paradox remains unsolved, but it drives scientists to keep looking, to keep asking questions and searching for answers. SETI and the search for signals. One of the most famous projects searching for alien life is SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Using giant radio telescopes, scientists scan the cosmos for signals that could indicate intelligent life. They listen for unusual patterns, signals that repeat, or pulses that don't match natural sources. So far, SETI hasn't found definitive proof, but the search continues. And every new discovery of exoplanets or unusual cosmic phenomena gives hope that one day, we might detect a signal that changes everything. The possibility of microbial life. It's important to remember, alien life doesn't have to be intelligent. Most scientists believe the first forms of extraterrestrial life we discover will likely be microbial, tiny organisms, not beings with spaceships. Even the discovery of a single microbe beyond Earth would be revolutionary. It would prove that life is not unique to our planet, and that the universe is far more alive than we ever imagined. And that realization could change how we see ourselves, not as isolated beings in a lonely universe, but as part of a vast cosmic ecosystem. Asterisk, the role of science in alien research. Science doesn't deal in certainties without evidence. That's why every claim about alien life is carefully scrutinized, tested, and debated. From analyzing meteorites to sending probes to distant planets, scientists use logic, data, and observation to separate fact from fiction. While we haven't yet confirmed aliens, the search is real, ongoing, and backed by some of the smartest minds on Earth. And each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? Asterisk, philosophical implications. Imagine if we did find intelligent life. It would change everything. Our philosophy, our religion, our understanding of life itself. Would we be ready to meet a civilization more advanced than ours? Could we even communicate with beings who think and perceive the universe in completely alien ways? The search for aliens is not just about curiosity. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos and recognizing that life, in all its forms, might be far more common than we ever imagined. Conclusion: fact or fiction? Asterisk, so, are aliens fact or fiction? The honest answer is, we don't know yet. But science shows us that the universe is enormous, diverse, and full of possibilities. Life might exist in forms we cannot yet imagine, and intelligent civilizations could be out there, somewhere among the stars. The real message here is not just about aliens. It's about curiosity, exploration, and the pursuit of knowledge. Humanity has always been driven to look up, to question, and to seek the truth. And that journey is as important as the answer itself. Next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, every star could host a story, every planet could hold a secret. And somewhere, out there in the cosmic ocean, life might be looking back at us. The universe is vast, it's mysterious, and it's alive with possibilities. Are aliens out there? We don't know. But one thing is certain. The search will continue, and one day it might just change everything.